If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. You can use comparison operators for query criteria you type into the criteria row for fields in the QBE section of the query design view of Access to search for criteria values that are not necessarily equal to a field value. For example, by using comparison operators, Access can expand its query criteria to pull records that are greater than or less than a specified criteria value. You still enter these criteria into the criteria row in the QBE grid within the query design view under the fields column by which to filter. You can use the following comparison operator symbols for query criteria in Access: greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, equals, and doesn't equal. To use a comparison operator with the query criteria, open the query in Query Design View in Access. In the criteria row underneath the desired query field in the QBE grid, type the comparison operator and then the value to compare. When entering query criteria, if making a reference to a text value, the comparison value should be enclosed in quotes to work. Date values must be enclosed in pound signs to work. References to other table fields must be enclosed in brackets to work. For example, assume you had a sale date, date-time data type field in the QBE grid of a query. Also assume you wanted to find any sale that was on or after January 15th, 2021. To write the comparison criteria in this case, under the sale date column in the criteria row, you could enter greater than, equal, #01/15/2021 as the comparison criteria. That would match the date values in the sale date column against the date value of 1/15/2021 and display any records where that field's value was greater than or equal to 1/15/2021. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.